G'day there, this is Jaron from Batteryman, and today we're going to talk about the K9 and how we can increase the balancing power. And what you can see here is we're going to use a fan. We've been wanting to introduce this and start selling them, and you're going to see them available very soon. Now what we want to get into here is how to install a fan and why it makes such a big difference. Without a fan, you're lucky if you can do 1 amp hour a day, which is about 20 watts as it's turned off most of the time. With a fan, with that little bit of airflow, we can get up to 120 watts, which is about 12 amp hours in a day. It makes such a big difference when we start out with that first balancing. Now what you can see here is we've disassembled the actual K9 and removed it out. We've got inserts that are available with the system so that you can actually attach it to the fan that you've purchased from us or your own. Any 60mm fan, 10mm thick, slow airflow. It does not need to be a hurricane, nice and slow. Now as you can see here, here's the airflow. Now you've got to make sure it's blowing towards the heatsink, not away from it, so that the air is blowing onto the heatsink. Now what you can see here is with these standoffs, we're using nylon standoffs, not metal, and we're screwing them in nice and gentle to make sure that we don't over torque them. And once we've got all 4 of them all installed, we'll just tighten them up a little bit with a screwdriver. Makes a huge difference to make sure this is going to last the life of your project in your battery system. Now we've got it all pre-assembled and we're about to attach it to the K9, and you'll notice that we've just turned it over and we're attaching each of the 4 nylon screws, not metal, so that when they're attached to the circuit board it protects them. And when they're all ready and just finger tight, we then use the screwdriver and just tighten them up to make sure that we don't over tighten them and burr the standoffs, because it's all plastic. Now when this is all done, we're about to actually reassemble it back into the green plastic ready for use. Now you'll be asking, how do you power it? We've got a product coming and you'll be able to switch it on whenever it's balancing, making life much easier for you. See you in the next one.